welcome back to my channel. Konnichiwa. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's get to the video. Okay, the reason why I'm here today is to do another review. You guys know I always come and do my little review every time Influenster send me something. So let's get straight to it. The latest box I received is the name Influencer. Ta-da! This is a beauty care, beauty crate collection. Simple truth. Papaya. Anything with papaya I like. So this box I was really excited to receive, and I'm gonna open it and show you what's on the inside. Ta-da! This is so exciting. Everything looks pretty amazing, and oh my gosh. Okay, let me get into it. So it comes with 4 items in the box, and the first one is a bar soap. So bright, you guys wanna see. That's the sea salt and seaweed and kelp. It's like you're in the ocean. It smells really good. So that's one of the bar soap, and the next one that's my favorite. Oatmeal. Almond, oatmeal, and honey. Like what? I'm probably gonna use this one and have my husband use that one. This is my favorite, okay? Anything with almond, oatmeal, and honey is the bomb, okay? Oh, I can't stop smelling it. So it was 2 bar soap, and the next item is this one right here. Okay, so this one is sugar cubes. Ooh. Okay. Oh, it's sealed, so you guys can. This is to die for. Oh my gosh. So the little cubes look like that. That's really yummy. It smells so good. Like, so this one is made of peach apricot. Okay. Oh my god, I'm the worst reader ever. Let me see if I can get a good shot. Okay, and the next item is the bath bomb. Okay, this is gonna be my, like, when I need my me time, nobody bothering me, I just go and take a nice bath. So the bath bombs are made of avocado, coconut, and papaya. Ooh, and it's no parabens or sulfate. So that's pretty amazing. They look so cute. Like, I don't even want to use them, but I will. I can smell it. This is great. So, due to the fact that I am pregnant right now, I think this gonna help so much. Like, especially the bath bomb. Like lately my body has just been like so stiff. Like I'm so tired. So when I need my little relaxing time, light up my little candles. Since now I can't drink. Maybe I'll get some apple juice that looks like wine. And lay in the tub and look fancy, and stuff like that. Crazy though, how do you use the sugar cubes? They like scrub. To exfoliate your skin. I haven't really read it. Yeah. I don't know. Do I use them on my face, you guys? Leave me a comment. Um, yeah. So I guess I can use them on my face. You wet the cube as directions say and gently crush in hand, okay, or onto skin to activate, okay. Gently massage product all over body to exfoliate, cleanse, moisturize, and then you rinse it out. Okay, perfect. Sounds good. So I am looking forward to use these items. Thank you so much at Influenster. And I'm excited. I think I have 2 boxes that's coming up, so I cannot wait to review those for you guys. Yeah. Okay. So lately, like right now, I don't really have makeup on. I just throw in some lipstick. I didn't even do my eyebrow or whatever. But my skin is doing okay for somebody that's pregnant. Okay. Like my last pregnancy, my skin was horrible. So I would say that I'm doing okay so far. I've been using this. Ugh, so bright. The Aveeno. I don't know how to show this. Okay. Yeah, I need my nails done, so excuse my nails. Okay. So I've been using this Aveeno Positively Radiant Skin Brightened Daily Scrub. So it's like halfway done. I use it morning and night to wash my face, and like wow, so far I'm loving it. My skin is doing just fine. And oh, it comes with 3 items, but I'm out of the face mask, which was so good. So after you use the face mask, you would wash with this, and then the last one is this oil right here. Not really oil, it's a Max Glow and Fusion Drops, so it will just make you glow, girl. Yeah, I got them at Walgreens, in case you guys interested. you know. But let me get out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment if you guys want to know how you can get to Influencer. Just let me know. I'm pretty sure you guys know already. So you basically download the app and sign up with your email, and through your emails they will send you survey, basically questions that you can answer, what you like, what you use on a daily basis, or what you would like to try. So based on that, they will send you your boxes. That's all. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. So you just review from their app or Instagram or Snapchat, and now they added TikTok. So that's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching me rambling. Like, geez, get your life, girl. I'll see y'all in the next one.